Welcome to the first video in the iMovie tutorial series. This video will show you how to get started with iMovie. iMovie is a great editing software because not only is it easy to use, it's also free. It comes pre-installed on any Mac computers or Mac devices. Many people have used iMovie maybe on their iPhone or iPad, but we're going to look at the desktop version of this app. Okay, so in iMovie here, the first screen that I'm looking at, I want to draw your attention to the three buttons at the top. There is a media section, there is a projects section, and there is a theater section. To get started, I want to focus on the projects section. And in order to do any kind of editing in iMovie, I need to create a new movie. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to come down here to create new. And I'm going to choose movie. We're not really going to look at trailers quite yet, but maybe in a later tutorial we'll talk about trailers. So I want to just click on movie. And this is my main editing screen that I will come to. I have created a movie. It has been named My Movie, and you see that right up here in my project media and libraries section. Okay, this section is basically the organization of my project. Right now my movie is called My Movie. When I close out of this, I can rename it to whatever I want. The library section we're going to talk about in a later tutorial, but this is just an organizational way to kind of upload, import, and save your media clips. Okay, videos, pictures, music, anything like that. Okay, so moving over to the right, I have my media bin. Okay, so when I pull in my video, when I import it, this is where it will show up. Moving over to the right, I have my media viewer. So if I want to look at some of those videos and see what they look like, it will show up on this little screen here. Okay. Above that screen, I have some media editing tools. If I want to change the look and feel of my video, of any music or sound media or any pictures that I have, these are the tools that I'll use for that. The main section of the iMovie interface is down here. This is called the timeline. The timeline is where I will build my movie. All right, this is where I will drag and drop my clips, my pictures, my music files or sound files, and I will build and construct my project down here. Okay. The next video, we'll talk about how to import media and how to begin building a project.